Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring prerequisites are met, then act immediately. Verify a recent backup and export logs so you can compare before and after changes. This prevents data loss. Once done, free resources by stopping non-essential services and clearing temp files to avoid I/O contention. Make sure you have admin rights and the exact error signature copied. These first steps let you reproduce the crash reliably and provide a safe baseline for the fixes that follow. Do not skip them. Now you dig into the middle of the process. Reproduce the crash in a controlled environment and capture precise triggers. This tells you whether timing, input, or erase causes the reboot. Next, validate dependencies. Mismatched versions, missing permissions, or config drift often break startups. Then instrument the system, add targeted logs, and enable debug symbols so stack traces are meaningful. Once you have that telemetry, you can isolate whether the failure is in binary, script, or environment, and plan targeted fixes. Finish by applying the least invasive fix and validating it thoroughly. You should deploy to staging first, run health checks and the specific crash reproduction scenario, and only then promote to production with canary or phased rollout. Make sure automated tests and external integrations pass before full cutover. Finally, prepare a rollback, a single command restore and documented steps. If things go wrong, check the latest crash dump and compare timestamps with your rollback. Often a mismatched config or timing issue is the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.